Hello Sunshine, this is Joy from Michigan in the US, and this is going to be an Art 1 video. This is a bonus project, extra credit project. We are going to paint a bulb. I'm going to show you, there'll be two different videos for ornament painting that both are, you can do either or neither or one, it doesn't matter. Both, whichever. It will be extra credit only. So if you don't have the supplies, that's okay. But I thought it would be a fun project to try. So this is the ornament that I have. It's plastic, which I prefer, so if I drop it, I don't break it. Eventually, once we're gonna put the paint on the inside, and then we will set it on the cup and let the extra paint drain out. I've never done one of these before, so this could be really interesting. Sorry, I walked away from the camera there, and you might not be able to hear me. Okay, I'm going to layer a cup just like I would for a ring pour, and then I'm going to put it inside this and swirl it around, and hopefully it'll be really, really pretty. I am using iridescent white, which I do need to check the consistency of because it sat out here all night last night. Nope, it's good. Okay, iridescent white. I have this absolutely gorgeous brand new color, Garnet, from Deco Art Extreme Sheen. And I'm gonna see, can you see how lovely and sheeny shiny that is? I am going to add just a little bit of white because it's almost burgundy and I don't want it quite that deep. So just a little white just to brighten it up a bit. That's a little bit better, I think. All right, so here goes nothing. I've got paint on me already. I feel like I've been running all day like a chicken with my head cut off, so if I seem a little distracted, that's why. So we're gonna do white first. And then this is black and silver. I really guess I don't need these sticks in here anymore. Let's get those out of the way. A black and silver mix. So I really just want sheeny, shiny, lots of pretty colors. I probably will only do 2 layers of each color. I have no idea how much paint I need, so not only is this extra credit for Art 1, it's an experiment for me. I'm gonna go with lots of this red because I mixed up lots, so why not? And then I'm gonna go back to the black. I kind of want to sandwich that in between so the red doesn't get too pink looking. And then we'll do some more iridescent white. And then we'll do a little more black and then red, and that'll be it. So I really have no idea how these colors are going to play together. That's going to be the interesting part, but we'll learn together. We're going to use all that red. First time using this color too, so that'll be fun. All right, here comes the difficult part that I've never done before. So we're just going to pour it in there. It's actually a straight pour. All right, and then I'm just gonna start swirling that paint around. Oh, this is really cool. Just trying to make sure there's not any places I've missed. All right, and now we're just going to, well, I'm gonna run some paint up at the top because I know the silver should cover that, the little silver cap part, but I want to make sure that it does. There we go. Okay. Well, that was fairly quick and easy. All right. So now it's draining. I will let this dry. I'm gonna post this video right away, so I won't be able to show you the dried results in this video, but if I do another one of these, I'll show you then. I kind of wish I had been spinning this as I was putting it in. I don't know how I would do that, but I've got this very defined red dot on the bottom, and that's why. So we'll see. This is really kind of cool, the way this looks. So I think that garnet, it's pretty, but I would like more of a Christmas red, so I might add some crimson to it. So here's my crimson. I might add a little bit of that next time just to see if it makes that red really pop like a Christmas red. This is pretty, but it's more burgundy and I wanted more of that Christmassy red. So I'm going to pour out my leftover paint from this cup. Just kind of a ribbon pour, because I can then make jewelry out of that. All right, I'll show you one too while I'm here. Find an interesting spot. How about right there? Just drop the glass cabochon in, pick it up, flip it over, and let it dry. So now I've got a necklace and an earring. No, y'all, I'm tired. I'm gonna say the wrong things all day. A necklace and an ornament that could be a set as a gift for someone for Christmas. So that would be kind of fun. So that's it. This was a quick little ditty. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will let you know how this dries in the future. There's quite a bit of paint that came out. Maybe I should pour that out real quick and see if we can get some more jewelry out of it. It looks a little bit muddy, so it may not work, but we can try. Oh, it's very muddy. Yeah, not so much. But that's okay. Now I'm gonna get a fresh cup because that one's got paint on the edge. I don't want to leave paint on the outside of my ornaments. You could always clean it off, but I don't want to have extra work. So there we go, fresh, clean cup. All right, guys, thanks so much. I will see you next time. All right, guys, I'm gonna do a second one while I've got everything out and kind of ready to go. I did mix up a new red, so it's mostly crimson with just a little bit of that garnet to give it some lovely shine. I think this might work better if my paints were thicker. So I'll have to watch some videos and see what people say. And I'm just gonna do, I don't have much red here. And I don't have, you know what, I didn't mix up any black with the silver at all. So I guess we'll just add a little teeny tiny bit of black. And we'll do one layer. One more experiment, guys. Or, you know what I think I'll do actually is I'll put some black in and then we'll put some silver in. So they're not actually mixed together, but you'll have both colors in there. All right. You know what, let me clean my fingers. I can feel paint on them. Which, if you know me at all, well, there is more black in here, guys. Oh my goodness, that's okay. All right. I'm trying to tip. I don't even know if you guys can see this. I don't feel like I have enough paint either, so this could be really interesting. All right, let's see what we can do. I'm sorry, I'm trying to tell where I need more paint, and when I do that, I go out of frame. Yeah, there wasn't, look at that though, that's so cool. Not quite enough paint for this one. So we're gonna try something completely different, guys. Why not, right? I am just going to add straight crimson and some white. Let's see if we can't swirl that around a little bit. I'm sorry, you guys probably can't see. Oh, I'm dripping it out. I don't really want it to drip out yet. It's hard to see what I need to see. Sorry, I'm out of frame right now just because I'm trying to tell if everything is covered. Okay, so this one's really, really cool if it stays like this. The last one kind of went fuzzy as it drained. Hopefully that does not happen here. All right, guys. I don't know, it looks like it's already going fuzzy. I really, really like that section right there. So we'll see. I'm not gonna do any more until these are dry and I can determine which style, if either of them worked best. And just something for you guys to fiddle with. So if you do this, let me know, send me pictures, it'll be your extra credit assignment. And then watch, I'll post another one. I don't think it'll be today. So not the same day that this one's put on, but just watch. I will probably add a brush painted ornament very soon. All right, guys, see you later.